The electric vehicle wave has been rolling for nearly a decade, but the excitement still is not slowing down. Now Ford has thrown fuel on the fire with a stunning announcement. Its CEO revealed a brand new lithium-ion phosphate battery that could last forever. A battery with no degradation. It sounds unreal, so how is this even possible? More importantly, when can everyday drivers finally replace their old batteries with this game-changing technology? What exactly are LFP batteries? If you have been following EV news or battery tech, you have probably seen the term lithium iron phosphate pop up everywhere. LFP batteries have suddenly become the new celebrity of the energy world, powering EVs, home backup systems, and even massive energy farms. But what sets them apart? LFP batteries are a special kind of lithium-ion battery. Instead of relying on metals like nickel or cobalt, they use lithium iron phosphate in their cathodes. That small switch in chemistry creates a huge upgrade. These batteries are safer, cheaper to produce, and last much longer than traditional lithium-ion cells. It is no wonder giants like Ford, Tesla, and BYD are racing to put LFP into their cars. So why is everyone obsessed with LFP batteries? If you have paid any attention to EVs or renewable energy lately, you will notice one thing. LFP batteries are everywhere, and for good reason. They are quickly becoming the preferred choice for electric cars, solar homes, and even heavy-duty equipment. Their superpower is longevity. Traditional lithium-ion batteries made with nickel manganese cobalt start to fade after a few thousand charging cycles. LFP batteries can handle 5,000 to 10,000 cycles with ease, and some of the newest designs claim over 20,000 cycles. To put that into perspective, an electric car running on LFP could rack up over 1,000,000 miles before you would even notice performance slipping. That is why the industry is buzzing. Longer life, lower cost, and safer chemistry mean LFP is not just another battery. It is a turning point, with one automaker now promising a version that does not degrade at all. The future of EVs might be arriving much faster than anyone expected. For consumers, this means no need to worry about expensive battery replacements after a few years. For industries that use battery storage for solar energy, this kind of longevity is a game changer. Once installed, these batteries require minimal maintenance and can function efficiently for decades. Safety is such a crucial factor in battery technology. LFP batteries really shine here, outperforming traditional lithium-ion batteries. You see, standard lithium-ion batteries contain cobalt and nickel, materials that can overheat and are prone to thermal runaway. This kind of situation can lead to fires or even explosions if the battery gets damaged or overcharged. But LFP batteries are a different story. They are much more stable, they do not overheat as easily, and they are far less likely to catch fire. Plus, they can handle high temperatures without significant performance loss. This makes them an ideal choice for electric vehicles, solar storage, and backup power systems where safety is a top priority. Now let us talk about another major reason why LFP batteries are gaining traction: cost effectiveness. Traditional lithium-ion batteries rely on nickel and cobalt, which are expensive and difficult to mine, not to mention the ethical concerns, especially with cobalt mining in certain regions. On the flip side, LFP batteries use iron and phosphate. These materials are more abundant, easier to source, and more sustainable. As battery technology advances and production scales up, LFP batteries are becoming even more affordable. That is why major automakers like Tesla, Ford, and BYD are making the switch to LFP batteries. They are looking to cut down on the overall cost of EV production and make electric vehicles more accessible to a wider audience. But wait, there is more. LFP batteries are not just great for cars, they are also widely used in home and industrial energy storage systems. Solar panels generate energy during the day, but without proper storage, that energy goes to waste when the sun is not shining. LFP batteries offer an efficient and long-lasting solution for storing solar energy, ensuring a steady supply of power even at night or on cloudy days. These batteries have a longer lifespan, retain their storage capacity after thousands of cycles, and do not pose a fire risk. This makes them perfect for residential and commercial solar energy storage. That is why products like the Powerwall, various home batteries, and many off-grid solar systems are now relying on LFP batteries. As the electric vehicle market continues to evolve, one executive noted that beating certain automakers on cost is difficult when their scale is 5 times larger. He added that a critical technology which was created is a better battery you can find. He explained, "We see certain automakers as our primary competitor, not GM or Toyota. Amidst global tech tensions, one American automaker's ambitions to partner with a Chinese supplier, the world's largest lithium-ion battery producer, have caused some concern in the U.S. government. The new battery plant, which will cost $3.5 billion, is set to open in Michigan in 2026. It will manufacture lithium phosphate batteries rather than the more expensive nickel-cobalt batteries. Legislation was sponsored in March that would prohibit tax subsidies for EV batteries built with certain technology. A request was also made for the administration to look into the agreement to employ this technology. Ford plans to produce 600,000 electric vehicles per year by late 2023 and more than 2 million by the end of 2026. It has been announced that complete LFP battery packs will be offered for certain North American models beginning later this year and for other models beginning in early 2024. This multi-technology future is already influencing global strategy and investment. Automakers and energy companies are not simply choosing one battery chemistry over another, they're building portfolios of technology to de-risk their supply chains and cater to different market segments. For instance, high-performance vehicles may continue to utilize advanced nickel-cobalt chemistries or eventually adopt solid-state for maximum range and power, while mass-market commuter cars and energy storage systems will overwhelmingly benefit from the cost and longevity advantages of LFP. This strategic diversification underscores a critical realization: there is no universal perfect battery, only the right tool for the right job. Furthermore, the infrastructure required to support this electric future is expanding in tandem. Grid modernization, increased charging network density, and advancements in bidirectional charging, where EV batteries can power homes or feed electricity back to the grid, are all progressing. The battery itself is just one node in a complex interconnected system. The true transformation lies in how these long-lasting, safe, and affordable batteries integrate into our homes, our grids, and our daily transportation, creating a more resilient and flexible energy ecosystem. The conversation is shifting from mere vehicle range to holistic energy management, where your car is not just a mode of transport but a mobile energy asset. There will be winners in the supply chain. The goal of producing 2 million EVs per year by 2026 will necessitate a substantial amount of materials critical to battery production. 4 recent arrangements were struck to ensure lithium supplies, including a long-term agreement for about 1,300 tons of lithium hydroxide over an 11-year period. The agreement is likely to provide customers with tax benefits under the U.S. Inflation Reduction Act. There will be winners and losers in the supply chain, stated the executive at a meeting. Lithium is critical. You have to have the best product strategy, but if you do not control the supply chain, you will not win. He remarked on the company's sustainability plan, saying, "It is a very complicated supply chain. It will be difficult to declare hand on heart we are good, but I believe we have as excellent a procedure as anyone in the industry. But it will require physical oversight." He went on to say that the company was one of the first firms to develop a sustainability policy, and that, as a family-owned business, having a strong sustainability strategy and ensuring best practices were implemented was the right thing to do. With the development of electric vehicles, it is inevitable that the need for batteries will also increase. But did you know that there are other battery alternatives such as solid-state batteries? Is it better and has potential for the EV world? Check out our video that will explain further about how this battery could change the EV industry.